In this video, we're going to take a look at one of these different SQL schema designers. Now, just so you know, I'm just going to pick one more or less at random off this list. All these different tools are largely similar, so I really just want you to get the idea of what using them is like and why we use them in general. All right, so the first one we're going to take a look at is actually the last one on the list right down here. This is an open source project, and it works pretty darn well. So I'm going to open up that link inside of a new browser tab. And once there, I'll then see a page that looks like this. We've got an empty canvas. We're going to create some number of tables inside of here, add some different columns to them, and then link these tables together. And once again, this is really just for documentation's sake, to help us understand the structure of our database without having to go into pgadmin. That's all it's about. We're not necessarily using this to build up some table definition that we export and put into Postgres or link it to Postgres in any way. This is just for diagram's sake. All right, so I'm going to first get started by creating a new table. So I'm going to click Add Table up here at the top right, and then click anywhere on the screen. We're going to create 3 different tables, and we're going to create a very small database model that's going to be essentially a model for the previous application we worked on a long time ago, where we had a table of users, a table of posts, and a table of comments. So I'm going to create this first table and call it users, and then click OK. Then we can see right away we've got our users table, and it automatically has an ID column. I'm then going to click on Add Table again, click anywhere, and I'll call the second one Comments, and then finally Posts. So we've now created these 3 different tables. We're now going to go through to each one and add in 1 or 2 different columns. So I'm going to first click on Users right here. I'll then click on Add Field on the right-hand side. I'm going to give this thing a new column. In this tool, they call it a field. It really is a column that we're adding here of, how about username? And I'm going to give it a type of varchar. Now you'll notice that when I open up this type list right here, you might see 1 or 2 or 3 different types that don't actually exist inside of Postgres, such as, say, medium int. These tools, these SQL designers, are general SQL design tools. They are not specifically meant for any particular database. Some of the other ones are, but this one at least is kind of a arbitrary SQL design tool. So you might sometimes see a type that doesn't actually exist inside of Postgres, or at least a type that we would not frequently use. If you see one like that, hey, totally fine. You can always just select the type that is most like what you're trying to put in. Now in this case, we've got a varchar right here, which is exactly what we would want to make a username. So everything works out just fine. We can also add in a size if you want. We can say a default value for it, and we can say whether or not this field should be able to be null. If you want to add in those other properties, feel free to do so, but usually I just settle with entering the name of the column and its type, and I leave it there. So we can repeat the same process for comments. So I'll click on the comments table and then add field. I'm going to give it a new column of, how about contents? So that's like the contents of the comment itself. I'm going to make this varchar as well. And then finally, on posts, I'm going to give it, how about a title? And that will also be a varchar. So we've now created these 3 different tables, and each of them has some additional column assigned to it. So now we might want to also model the relationship between these different tables as well. To do so, let's first try to model the relationship between a user and a comment. That would be a one-to-many relationship. So one user probably should have many different comments. That means we need to place a foreign key on the comments table that looks back at the ID of a particular user. So to do so with this particular tool, we would click on the ID column right here on users. You notice how it is now selected. I'll then click on Create Foreign Key over here on the right-hand side menu, and then click on the table that I want to add the foreign key column to, which in this case will be comments. And so now we've got this nice line in here that indicates that there is a relationship between these 2 tables. The foreign key column that was automatically added has a name of ID_users, which doesn't quite fit the naming convention that we've used throughout this course. So we might select that field, edit it, and then call it user_ID instead. So now we can repeat that same process to link a post and a comment. A post would have many comments, which means that we want to add a foreign key column to the comments table that looks over to a given post ID. So I would once again select the ID of a post, click on Create Foreign Key, and then click on the Comments table. And then again, I'm going to double click on that field and change the name to Post ID, again, just to better fit the naming conventions that we've been using. And that's pretty much it. So we've now got a diagram of our database structure. Again, there's not really necessarily any output from this. This is just a tool that we would use to diagram the structure of our database, so that you and I would remember how our database is put together. And we could also share this with other engineers who are starting to work on our project, so they can understand the different tables that exist, the different columns that they have, and the relationships between these different tables. So at this point, we could save this design. We could also just do a print screen, turn this into a PDF, or whatever else. But this is pretty much it. That's all we really want to do. Okay, so that's it for this first tool. Now I want to take a look at least one other SQL design tool. So quick pause right here, and we're going to go through this same process with just one other tool very quickly.